So I recently did a video on how you can run parallel batteries on LifePo4 and you can put a used one and a new one together. And I wanted to give people an example. So this is just a quick video to show an example of a used and a new. And even though these two are new that I'm showing, they have a little bit of a difference of amp hours, which represents, a used one that has, let's say, 100 amp hours. It may only have 95 amp hours in the system now, and you can still match that with a 100 amp hour new battery. So let me show you it right now. So my setup has a 310 amp hour small compact battery. If you want to know what the battery name is, it's XZNY. And the reason why I love this is you see that 310 amp hour battery. Behind it is a 280 amp hour battery. And if you look at the size of that zone, from here in was a typical 280 amp hour battery. So I only had to expand the wasted zone by maybe 3.5, 4 inches this way. And now I have 560, a little more than that, of battery power from just expanding it a little bit. And like I said, this is a perfect example of, if you put a used battery with a new battery, because the battery back here is 280 amp hours and this one is 310 amp hours. So they are not the same amount of amp hours as if, just like you had a used one and a new one. And when you're running parallel, it doesn't matter because your batteries will self-regulate and make sure that they have the maximum amount of power in it. So that was my quick video. And like I said, these batteries, I love them. They have a lot of protection. I know I'm plugging this battery, but this is a small, compact, high output battery. That's why I love it. Anyway, you like what we're doing, please subscribe because you all make it happen.